Hey there, this is PuppyAgent. I'm gonna introduce you how to build an agentic RAG system on your web page like this. Here users can ask any questions while inbounding. For example, what are the use cases? The chatbot will provide the answer within a couple of seconds. That's super cool. You can build the same chatbot on your website within a few steps. Follow me. First, sign in PuppyAgent SaaS. We've got templates ready to go. All you need to do is upload your documentation or any onboarding materials. For example, I upload facts in this block and set the indexing here. Type into the question here, and we'll get a response on the output side. Click the Test Run button. There will be a final answer for this question. That looks pretty makes sense. When you're ready, you can deploy your whole workflow as an API or directly as a chatbot. Check the input and output ID. Click it. Copy the SDK to your web page. You made an agentic system now. Let's see it in action. You can test your chatbot here. Furthermore, our product supported a couple of RAG strategies. For example, multiple routes retrieving, customized embedding and indexing. That's one of the easiest use cases to get started with. We'll share more hands-on examples of how real teams are using PuppyAgent across support, onboarding, and beyond. So make sure to subscribe to catch more projects. Search PuppyAgent to get started. Catch you in next video.